Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Airtable to plan and track charity events. So, let's get started. We'll start by setting up a new base in Airtable. This is the foundation of any project on the platform, and it's important because it allows you to centralize all relevant information in one place. Click on the Add a Base button and select Start from Scratch. Once you've named your base, let's move to creating tables. These will help us record different aspects of our event. As an example, let's create a donors table. Just click on the plus Add Table button and rename it. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each table is like a worksheet in Excel, but much more powerful. Now that we've done that, we'll dive into creating columns. Think of these as categories of information. In our donors table, we might have name, contact, donation amount, payment status, and so on. To add a column, simply click on the plus Add Field button and choose the appropriate field type for your data. The reason we do this is to structure our data in a way that makes sense and is easy to navigate. Next up, we'll talk about records. These are individual entries in your table, essentially your raw data. Just click on the plus Add Record button on the left of your table and start entering data. This helps us because it allows us to track every single donor individually and keep a close eye on their donation status. Before we wrap up, let's touch briefly on views. These are different ways to visualize your data. For instance, you can create a calendar view to track deadlines, or a Kanban view to follow up on tasks. This is powerful because it allows you to customize your perspective to your needs. And there you have it. You're all set to use Airtable to plan and track your charity events effectively. Remember, the power of Airtable lies in its flexibility, so don't be afraid to experiment and adapt it to your unique needs. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.